If you love lounging outdoors as much as we do, this inflatable couch from Chillbo is going to be your new favorite adventure accessory. The Chillbo Shwaggins comes in a compact carry bag and weighs just 3 pounds, so it's easy to grab and go. Perfect for pool days, camping, hiking, or festivals. No pump needed, just trap air using a sweeping motion. Roll it up and clip it shut. It takes a little technique, but Chillbo includes a helpful setup video. This was sent to me for review, but I've been genuinely impressed. It supports up to 440 pounds, yet feels incredibly light and portable. At the beach, it really shines. It stays elevated off the sand. The ripstop polyester holds up to wind and sun, and it's way more comfortable than a towel or beach chair. There are large side pockets for your phone or sunscreen, plus ankle loops that help secure it on breezy days. I've never been able to nap at the beach. Towels shift, sand gets everywhere, but this lounger keeps you comfortably elevated and clean. We even brought it out to the river, and it felt like a whole new kind of relaxation. I set it right up on the dock in seconds, no pump, no hassle, and just sat back to enjoy the breeze. The water views, the soft sway of the dock, the full body support of this lounger, absolute perfection. It's like a hammock, air mattress, and lounger all in one. For beach days, backyard hangs, or river adventures, the Chillbo Inflatable Lounger has totally changed how we relax outside. I highly recommend it.